So today, we're going to talk about this guy right up here above the window. This is a roller shade by SmartWave. Now this one specifically, I also have installed the solar panel on the window here to keep it charged. So it is rechargeable, and you can either plug it in and just go off the battery that's internal, or in this case, have a small solar panel that slowly charges the battery so that I never have to worry about it. So today, my final thoughts, and this is the full review of the SmartWave Roller Shade. Hey folks, welcome back to techgooch, and today, like I said, we're talking about SmartWave's Roller Shade. Now, I did a full installation video on this, unboxing and everything, and setting it up and getting it all set up. I also did a setup with the Smart Assistant, got this working with my Siri in my home, so my HomeKit, and I can control this with my voice with any of my Apple products. I have HomePods throughout the home. My daughter has it in her room here. This is actually my daughter's room. And now that we finally just redid her room, it was a perfect time to do this video as well. So you don't have to use it with the smart home. You don't have to connect it to a smart assistant. And of course you have to have some kind of smart hub, but you can get just a standard remote, which this has a little dock on it. It does have an adhesive mount, and you can just slide this in, and of course you can control this shade with this. So I can hit down, I can hit pause, I can go back up. Same thing goes, there is this guy, which is the wall mount one that's actually designed to go on a box. Same exact principle as the remote, and there's a couple different options that you would have. Outside of that, like I said, I can control it with my phone. I can also control it with HomeKit, Alexa, Google Home. Lots of options in order to control this either from your phone, from your watch, from a tablet, computer, and of course your voice using a smart assistant. Pretty awesome. Now, what do I really like about this? Now first, it actually was pretty darn easy to install, pretty darn easy to set up as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out the setup video and the also the smart setup video to get it attached to my HomeKit if that's something that interests you. So you can kind of see exactly how it goes. Also did a separate video of how to get the solar panel kit on there as well. So watch all of those. All of those will be linked in the bottom of the description as well as at the end of the video here as well. But the beautiful thing about this, it is battery operated. It is rechargeable battery on this one. And this specific unit is Matter. So this uses Matter's kit, which allows you to connect to a whole bunch of different hubs out there. So as long as whatever you have works with Matter, it can also work with this. So if you already have a hub in your home, great, awesome. Definitely, if you're interested in that, check out Matter stuff. This is a pretty awesome thing. The only thing that I will have to say is not so much a downside, is something to make note, is it is not quiet. Now, they do have settings in order you can make it slower, right? So it doesn't go as fast. But, and that does make it quieter. But in the end, if I go close it here, it's not the quietest in the world. I do have other smart roller shades in my home, actually 2 other branded smart roller shades in my home. This is definitely the loudest of all of them. Now, of course, it's only when it's going up and going down that you're going to hear it. And once it's down and set, it works great. It's just something to make note. I'm not going to say bad things about this because it is louder. But that said, at the price point that it's at, it's actually a pretty solid shade. Also, when you set it up and set it up to exactly the height, it works every single time without failure. You can also set within your set certain times of the day for it to automatically open and close. So that is something that you can do and make schedules. The remotes work, the voice assistant works, the app works, everything works quite easily and quite well. So how much does a shade like this cost? Right, and that's really what you're probably going to judge in the end. So the smart shade itself, we had the Blackout Flex material in dark gray. The starting price is $149. That's for the standard shade. Now, of course, to add the Matter capability, it adds $75 to the cost. And of course, that may vary depending on how wide or how long your window is. Right, so you have to size the window, and of course, using their website, you can make those measurements real quick, real easily, nothing hard there. Same thing goes if you want any specific remotes or controls. The one channel remote, this guy right here, is 12 bucks, so not a whole lot of cost in that. Also with the one channel wall mount one, $17, $16.99. And then of course rechargeable lithium ion or hardwire. That could change your cost there, specifically if you want a charger for it or a cable, as well as the solar panel. So those are all options for you. All in all, not a tremendously high cost item, specifically with something that is going to be something that I'm just going to leave go and it just works every time. So I'm happy to have it in my home. My daughter loves it, and that's the important part. And of course you can choose whatever color works for your home. They have a whole bunch of different colors. They have linen options, does not have to be blackout. Lots of options. I will put a link directly to SmartWave's website where you can take a peek at this product, but also all the ones that they have. Now they have other things outside of roller shades. I haven't used those. I've only used the smart roller shades themselves. So it's something I do recommend. It's a pretty awesome shade, specifically for the price. Questions or comments, post those below, but also you can get a hold of me at techgooch.com. That said, it's pretty awesome, and I highly recommend watching the setup video so you can see exactly how to set it up, exactly how to get it attached to an app, exactly how to get it attached to your smart home that you already have. So that said, thanks for watching to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe as always, and we'll catch you back here on TechGooch for another future video review. Hope to see you soon.